What's up, everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. I just want to let you guys know I am on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. So don't forget to look those up. Today, I'm showing you how to make shower bombs. A shower bomb is like a bath bomb with extra perks. Use it as a bath bomb, a shower steamer, or to bathe with, just like soap. They have less citric acid, more skin-loving ingredients, and they're much softer than normal bath bombs. Please read the description for the recipe and substitutions. I used calamine clay to give the bomb a natural pink color, but you can use whichever clay that you want. The SLSA creates foam and lather. Using only butter, oil, and polysorbate 80 is going to create a soft bomb, which is what you want. I added a bit of mica for sparkle. I don't recommend Eco Glitter though because it doesn't wash off easily like mica. Add wet to dry and then mix. Don't use a whisk though, a spoon works much better. Thoroughly mix and knead it with your hands. The mixture will feel soft, very wet, and dense. To get color variations like light, medium, and dark, I divided the mix and added color powder to each. For the color powder tutorial, click the icon. I'm using a diamond mold. It'll be linked in the description along with a promo code. I do recommend a flat mold. A flat shape is easy to hold, rub on skin, and break chunks off. I coated the mold with Eco Glitter to play into the diamond theme and to give the bombs a sparkling exterior. Even though this is labeled as an Eco Glitter, it behaves much more like a mica. Fill the mold. Pack it. Then sprinkle loose mix on top. Repeat for the other side. Smush the two sides together tightly. Do very small, short twists to grind the molds closer together and push out extra mix. Tap both sides to release the bomb. This recipe makes 3 diamond shower bombs. Sprinkle mica on wet bombs for additional sparkle. Dry them 24 hours, then package. This has been a highly requested tutorial for a while now, and I'm so glad I finally made them. It's kind of genius if you think about it. a bath bomb that you can bathe with. Plus, it provides something fun to play with for those who take showers. These actually work better in the shower, where it wets and rinses the bomb for you. I really enjoyed these. They gave me all kinds of ideas for other projects too, like a body balm, a butter balm, stuff like that. If there's something that you'd like me to make, just comment below to request it.